Hi, everybody. I'm Mike Nelson, Denver7 Weather Action Day. As a major winter storm moves into Colorado, it will start out dry Monday, but finish snowy Monday evening, and snow will continue into Tuesday. Big, deep trough coming in the upper atmosphere across the west. And this storm system is a potent system that's going to move across the area, coming in from about Las Vegas tonight and moving into southeastern Utah by early Monday morning, spreading snow into the western and southwestern part of the state. It will stay mild and dry on the plains, with temperatures staying at or above freezing in Denver and Akron. Temperatures are going to be in the mid-30s over some of the western and southwestern suburbs of Denver early in the day. During the day on Monday, after a mild morning, here comes a cold front slipping in ahead of the low pressure system. So in the afternoon, colder weather comes in. We turn windy, colder. Snow becomes heavy by evening in the mountains. Temperatures will peak right after lunchtime and then fall after that, with colder air coming into the area. We'll still see some readings in the upper 50s to low 60s to the south and east, but that low will track quickly across eastern Colorado. Although Denver misses the brunt of this snow, there'll still be blizzard conditions over northeastern Colorado for Tuesday. By Wednesday, that blizzard moves up into the northern Great Plains, and by Thursday, we drag a cold front down that's going to bring us even colder weather coming our way as we head into Friday and Saturday. So 7-day forecast looks like this. Action days through Tuesday because of the big change. Then chilly weather for the rest of the week and very cold by the end of the week. And look at the 10-day forecast, calling for colder and wetter than average conditions across Colorado. Be careful with this approaching storm.